So the second type of transformation we're going to study now is called a reflection. And with reflections, we usually are reflecting a particular shape either over the x-axis or over the y-axis of the coordinate plane. Here's the formulas or the transformation process we're going to use. We're going to take our existing coordinates, whatever they may be, and if we're reflecting over the x-axis, we're going to shift them using this. So xy is going to turn into x negative y. If we're reflecting over the y-axis, xy is going to turn into negative xy. Maybe a little bit of an example will help. So here's our shape. Okay. First thing I'll do is I'll list those coordinates. They are 2, negative 5. They are 4, negative 6. And they are 1, negative 9. Okay. Now let's see. If we were reflecting this, we're asked here to reflect this over the x-axis. So that means we're going to take whatever the x, y values are, we're going to keep the x's, and we're going to turn the y values negative. So in other words, if they're already negative, they're going to become positive. So that means these values are going to shift to 2, positive 5, 4, positive 6, and 1, positive 9. And that's going to be reflected over the x-axis. So 2, positive 5, 4, positive 6, and 1, positive 9. Okay, and that's going to be our shape reflected over the x-axis. So this would be like, again, like A and B, A and B. And that's how we do reflection. Now, if we're reflecting it over the y-axis, let's do that as well. 2, negative 5 would turn into negative 2, negative 5. 4, negative 6 would turn into negative 4, negative 6. And 1, negative 9 would turn into negative 1, negative 9. Negative 2, negative 5, negative 4, negative 6, and negative 1, negative 9. And there's our shape reflected over the y-axis. So that would be like shape C. So that's a reflection over the x-axis, and that's a reflection over the y-axis.